Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. If you're looking for a trustworthy store with a wide selection of furniture on offer, you should definitely check out Mandaue Foam. If you're planning on buying furniture, it's important you get it from a reputable store. Today, the market is flooded with stores that sell furniture, giving you plenty of options. So, how do you choose which one's best for you? Whether you're planning to move into a new residence or if you're updating your home, Mandaue Foam can help you with all of your home furniture needs. Mandaue Foam is your one-stop shop for all of your home needs. Whether you're looking for a good quality mattress, wall decor, kitchenware, living room essentials, or office furniture, they have you covered. Mandaue Foam is a leading home store in the Philippines. Started in 1971 by Mrs. Rosita T.I. as a foam manufacturer in Cebu, Mandaue Foam has rapidly grown over the past 40 years because of its commitment to providing its customers with quality and value for money products. Today, Mandaue Foam is one of the country's top 1,000 corporations and has over 25 factories and showrooms nationwide. Its trademark products include its signature Flex Foam and hotel quality Gala bed mattress. Soon after it started, Mandaue Foam sensed a need in the market for a more complete home store, and it began to expand and diversify its product lines to include pillows, sofas, dining tables, bed frames, and other small home items. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other home and decoration series. The beauty of shopping at Mandaue Foam is that you can customize your furniture to match your exact preferences. Plus, Mandaue Foam carries more than what is displayed in their showroom. For instance, they may have more fabrics and many different wood pieces that can help you with your furniture customization. You get to work closely with their sales designers who can help you with this process. They will conceptualize with you and finalize the plan for your approval. Once approved, Mandaue Foam's technical team will then produce a technical drawing as preparation for production. Then it will be forwarded to the actual production team where your customized furniture ideas will come to life. In just a few weeks, you'll have furniture that is uniquely your own. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Thank you for watching.